Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to see who has viewed your TikTok profile. To get started, open up the TikTok application, log into your account and then go to your profile. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you should see this eye icon here. So basically you can see who viewed your TikTok profile on one place. So simply tap on this icon. If you not see this icon and you not see who views your profile, basically you can enable this option. From your profile, open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then proceed to settings and privacy and then go to privacy. Scroll all the way down. In very bottom you'll be able to see profile views. Simply tap on it and swipe the slider to the right side. As you can see here says see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So simply if you turn off profile view history, if you go to your profile back and you should enable this option. As you can see, profile view is off. So simply you can enable this option from this little icon from your profile. Tap on this option and then turn on, and you'll be able to see all people for last 30 days who viewed your TikTok profile. As you can see, simply scroll down and you'll be able to see these people who viewed your TikTok profile.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.